What's good, YouTube? It's Big Hops here. I got my friend Chase here. And today we're going to be doing Fil-A Mukbang. I've been gone for a while. This is my first video in 7 months, I think. And I've just been dealing with school and sports and stuff. But let's get into the mukbang. So today I got 2 fries, 12-piece fried nuggets, spicy chicken sandwich, and then he's got chicken strips and fries. And then this is the seasonal peach milkshake. So yeah.
Never tried the chicken tenders. So this shit slaps.
The sausage we got here, I like this. Honey mustard, and then we got Chick-fil-A sauce.
Yeah.
I usually don't eat the Chick-fil-A sauce.
It's pretty good, I think. Yeah.
We don't have napkins, bro. Do you have napkins in your bag?
No.
Where the bags at?
I threw them away. I don't think we need them. So right now, we're at a park.
Yeah. We're filming at the park because we don't want to get anyone's car dirty.
There's some people here though. So.
Yeah. Sorry if you can hear the kids in the background.
Yeah.
There's like summer camp here right now or something. Comment in the comment section if you guys ever had anything grilled from Chick-fil-A. Have you ever had anything grilled?
I think grilled is like, doesn't look that good.
Have you ever had any? It's healthier as well.
It's healthier?
It's a lot healthier.
I don't give a fuck.
Have you ever had anything grilled from Chick-fil-A? Neither have I. It doesn't look that bad, but
Yeah.
I know it's probably not as good as the fried stuff.
Yeah.
So, the reason I'm making a mukbang today, instead of a Fortnite or 2K video, is because I've been watching a lot of mukbangs recently, like Steph Papa's, and that's the only one I watched, to be honest. But
It's pretty good.
everyone's doing the KFC chicken sandwich, the Cheetos one, and I was gonna do that, but it really doesn't look good to me. Have you seen that? You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Would you try that?
It looks alright. I don't know if
I don't really want to try it, but Chick-fil-A also came out with something new. It's this peach shake. I already tried it before. I like it. It's pretty good.
I didn't like it. It had like chunks in it. No, I don't like chunks.
There's not too much chunks though. Honestly. Actually, there's like no chunks.
Yeah, there is.
I can't.
Like the top.
Oh, what the hell?
What?
There's a
Oh,
beef
shit.
bro.
Really? Oh shit!
I don't know what to do. No, don't.
You like jazz? Should we take an intermission?
Alright, so we're back. The beat left. We didn't kill it because that's messed up, honestly. Like, yeah, messed. But it did get on my honey mustard, so I'm just eating anyway, to be honest.
You only ate that one truth, I think.
Yeah.
Too good.
12-piece nuggets.
And this is lemonade. Pretty good.
It's limited?
Lemonade.
Yeah. The fries are cold now.
Yeah, and what the fuck is this? That's a fucking another.
Yo.
I'm just like.
comment what your you guys' favorite or what your order is at Chick-fil-A, or what your favorite thing to get there is. What's yours?
Usually, I get spicy chicken, just a combo. But I want to try this out because I've never tried it.
Motorcycle back there. What I got here, the 12-piece with fries and spicy chicken sandwich, is what I always get. So, but this, the milkshake, is pretty good.
This is pretty good. I like the chicken.
Would I get it again?
I'd choose this one.
The milkshake, I'd probably just get lemonade instead because this costs more. Like the lemonade, it comes with the combo, and this you have to pay extra for it.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I think after this mukbang, we might do a KFC one,
Yeah.
right? And then maybe Qdoba.
Qdoba, Chipotle.
Yeah.
If you don't know what the Qdoba is, it's like it's basically like Chipotle, but personally I like it better than Chipotle. But comment what you think we should do next. Yeah, we might have to go to KFC, try the Cheeto sandwich, or just get like Nashville hot or something.
Nashville hot is like, I think the best there. And I love their mashed potatoes. The biscuits, not that good.
Yeah, this is not that good. My favorite thing from KFC though is to get
The macaroni is trash there.
my favorite is macaroni and cheese.
I think it's trash.
I go there just to get the macaroni and cheese sometimes. Like KFC, if it's not the Nashville hot or the
Mashed potatoes and gravy.
no, I don't even get those. If it's not the Nashville hot or the macaroni and cheese, I don't think it's that good.
Yeah, if it wasn't for the Nashville hot, it's not that good. That's like the best thing there.
You could also do like a pizza mukbang.
Yeah, that'd be pretty
Like my
cool.
favorite food, delivery pizzas, or places you can order from, is like Papa John and Domino's, or Papa John's and Domino's. Those Zeke's.
I never ate at Zeke's. Was it good?
It's like
We should go to Adele's.
is it just Washington? I think Zeke's is just Washington.
Heaven sent.
Oh, Heaven Sent. Yeah, our cameraman.
Cameron,
He knows what he...
is Zeke's just in Washington?
I'm not sure.
Yeah. Well, we probably won't
Oh,
get
The
from there,
Rock,
but-
if you got pizza from there. Oh, bro, it's so good. If you guys have ever ate at The Rock, that place, it's so good. You know it. This is the best pizza ever.
I haven't ate there in a long time, but when I did eat there, it was Halloween, and they had like spider decorations set up,
It's usually not like, it's just like a rock band. Like,
and that's where when I first became afraid of spiders. I
what? No way.
think. Yeah.
Yeah, this guy's, if you put a picture up on your phone and just show it to him, he'll like run.
They have a rock band at the Rock.
No, they don't. I mean, like rock band thing. It's like the Beatles, I think.
In the future, when 2K20 comes out, I'm definitely gonna be uploading some 2K videos. Park Pro and my team. But in the future, I also want to do more mukbangs, Mukbangs, whatever it's called.
This looks like a fry, like an original fry. I pulled out the waffle. Isn't that crazy? What the hell? It's 100 million.
But it's the summer right now, so I don't have much to do. I'm in driver's ed right now, and I've been looking for a job, but since we don't have much to do, hopefully I'll upload more and more consistently. You finished?
Good. That's pretty good. I'd probably get the spicy chicken though, again, like I usually do, just because I like that. It's my favorite thing there.
The bees,
But
been,
it wasn't bad at all.
the bees been on the straw, so I'm just not drinking the straw anymore.
They have pretty good ice cubes at Chick-fil-A. You guys, if anybody eats this, it's pretty good. Ice cubes.
Yeah.
The circle ones always are so good, bro.
If you guys go to Mod Pizza, that's the best ice cubes I've had.
Oh, it's pretty good there. It's like these, but they have like holes in them, so it's like
They're
better.
smaller.
Yeah, it's better. That's pretty good. Maybe we'll do a mod up there. That'd be cool. Good pizza.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. Or we could just do Domino's. Yeah, it'd be fun.
Yeah, until 2K20 comes out, I don't think I'm gonna be uploading any video game content. Hopefully a couple more mukbangs. And that kind of stuff, but maybe some in real life videos, because I got a funny idea for a challenge we can do
Okay.
at the mall.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm talking about.
what is it?
With this
We'll see it later.
turtleneck on.
Oh, okay, yeah. That's gonna be a good one. We'll see that in the future.
Yeah.
A good one for the mall.
So that's gonna be it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching.